Hi everyone, welcome back to page 2 of your Unit 12 trig function graph test. This page is going to be very nice because what you can do is cross out question 9. We really didn't focus in on that. It's the only thing that we didn't focus in on graphing the radian. So we're just going to go ahead to 8, graph 8, and that'll be done for this page. Okay, so again, I want you guys to go ahead and remember or recall from question number 7. Some of you guys may already have your graphing calculator set up, so please make sure that you check your mode. This mode, again, if you take a look, is in degree. So you should be in degree. You need to make sure that you have your windows, your X 0, 360, your scale should be 45, negative 10 to 10, and your scale should be 1. And then, of course, you should change your table setup, second window, start from 0 to 45. So if you're using your graphing calculator, that is fine. You then go ahead and put in your graphing calculator, y equals 4 cosine 1/2 x. You go to your second table, and this right here, you can go ahead and make your x and y. You're going to go from negative 360 to positive 360. So you go to negative 360 to positive 360. You're only graphing the nice points. So you graph 360. You wouldn't graph anything in between until you get to 180, negative 180 at 0, and then 0, 4, and so forth and so on. You're only going to be plotting those nice numbers, okay? So I am going to change this equation. I'm not going to do the same equation. You're graphing this equation, and you're going to be answering these questions based on this. I'm going to change it to y equals 3 cosine 1/2 x, okay? So based on this equation right here, it's very similar. The only difference between the equation that you're graphing and the equation that I'm graphing is your amplitude. So make sure that you start to label 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you are doing this on a sheet of paper, I need you to draw the X and the Y. I need to see that you label this 90, 180, 270, 360, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 360. And when you go ahead and graph, I need to see precise points graphed. This is not a sketch, so please make sure that you guys keep that in mind. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to an amplitude of 3. 1, 2, 3. Just recall, you're going to an amplitude of 4. All right, so based on my equation, you're going to be using this. My amplitude is going to be 3. My frequency is 1/2. 360 for my period divided by the frequency, 1/2, which is 720. And my midline is plus 0, so y is equal to 0. That's based on mine. Yours is going to be very similar. The only thing that's going to be a little different may be your amplitude. Okay, so cosine, you start at the amplitude, you end at the amplitude. Now, I just want you guys to realize that you're only sketching half. So you're only going to see this right here. You're not going to see this right there. So you're going to start at the amplitude. It's going to go to 0, negative 3. And it would look something like this. You're going to go to negative 180, negative 360, and you're going to see that there, okay? And that's for y equals 3 cosine 1/2 x. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great day.